The dew was heavy on the silent stone. The garden waited for the king alone. The seals of men are broken, the guards are fled, for life has arisen from the dusty dead. No silver coin or gold could buy this bread. The one who walked into the gates of death has stepped back out into the morning light and shattered every shadow of the night. He is risen, let the heavens ring. Death has lost its power, death has lost its sting. The tomb is empty, the stone is rolled away. The dawn has broken on the eternal day. He is the first fruits, the anchor of our soul. The ancient debt is gone, the heart is made whole. The record of our debt, it stayed upon that tree, but the man who bore it rises, setting captives free. The thorns are gone, replaced with crowns of gold. The greatest story that was ever told. As he made all things ancient, all things new, he brings the morning star into our view. It is no longer I who live, but Christ in me, the glorious hope of all eternity. He is risen, let the heavens ring. Death has lost its power, death has lost its sting. The tomb is empty, the stone is rolled away. The dawn has broken on the eternal day. He is the first fruit, the anchor of our soul. The ancient debt is gone, the heart is made whole. If the spirit of him who raised Jesus from the dead